Value scale, this is part one. We're going to draw a value scale with 10 different varying values. The first one, you're going to leave completely white. And then the last one is going to be as dark as you can make it. And every value in between will just progressively get a little bit darker till the end of the scale. So I'm going to show you how to draw this scale. Use your ruler, line up to the edge of your paper, and draw a line that's 10 inches long. And then it's going to be 1 inch deep, or 1 inch wide. I'm going to make a 1 inch line. I'm going to line up to the edge of my paper, and again draw another line that's 10 inches. So then I'm going to make a line, a vertical line, every inch to make my little boxes for each value. So each value will be 1 inch square. Again, this first one I'm going to leave completely white, and then the last one I'm going to make as black as I can. I'm going to use my pencil. Use your ebony pencil. These are the best ones, a soft one, because they blend really well for value. I'm going to shade this as dark and as deep as I can. I'm pressing really hard. I'm going to fill in the square as black as I can make it. So go over it a few times till it's as black as you can. I'm going to fill in pretty dark, but not as black as I made that first one, and I'll come back and darken it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take shapes, circles and squares and cylinders and triangles, and turn them into forms, which are three-dimensional objects, by adding the value. And we'll use the value scale you just created. So I just traced a circle. If you have something that's round, you can just trace a circle, or you can just draw it freehand if you want. Also, it doesn't need to be perfect. Alright, to add the value on my circle and turn it into a sphere, I'm going to look back at my value scale that I made before, and I'm going to take a look at all the different values, and I'm going to try to use all of them. I'm going to use my darkest black shadow and all my different grays and add the white. The white will be the highlight that I leave. So for my shadow, I'm going to pretend that the light is coming this direction. So that means the shadow will be cast over here on the round part. I'm going to follow the shape of the circle. So the shadow will be cast opposite direction of the light. So I'm going to come in here and just start with my shading with my darkest value, and following the shape of my circle. Alright, so I'm just trying to add in all the values and just keep working on it. Remember, follow the shape that you're creating the circle into a sphere, so I keep making my pencil marks match that shape. I'm going to use my eraser over here where the lightest part is and erase that line. And actually, if you want to create some highlights on your objects, you can use your eraser to carve that white back out.